Now this illustration 17-1B deals with underground supply. Now notice in the illustration, the transformer is utility owned with master metering. It's a step-down type transformer. Our disconnects are installed in accordance with 230.70A and 230.205A. And the service point is defined again in Article 100. More information can be obtained in 230.200. Now, this underground lateral supply that you see here, it's usually about 2 foot deep with utility guidelines and city, state, or county guidelines. But notice it's a utility defined underground lateral. If the transformer was customer owned, we'll see exactly then where your service point would be considered. So since this is utility owned, your service point is at the facilities you see in the drawing, and that's what this figure 17-1B is illustrating.